So is legacy tech really worth it? Is it worth picking up an older device these days rather than always going for something new? Well, in this video, I'm going to explain that to you guys. So let's jump right in. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and for today's video I'm going to talk to you guys the reason why most people aren't upgrading today and why it's probably beneficial if you go after something a bit older that has gone down in price. And so you guys know I have the Nexus 5X, I have the Nexus 7 tablet, and I really love using these two devices mainly because they still give me a pretty good experience. So I did a video a while back talking about how OEMs have pretty much hit that wall. The innovation is gone. There's not much innovation anymore that they can do. The only way that they can differentiate each other is by the different features that they have, and maybe some slight changes to certain things. Like maybe a motorized camera or a swivel flipping camera that can be both selfie and the main camera. A lot of these things, while it does seem a bit innovative, really it is not really going that much above and beyond. See, the reason with these two particular devices that I have, the reason why I have such a great experience with them is because one, I was able to modify them, bring them up to the most recent version of Android that you can get. So Android 9 Pie exists on both my Nexus 7 2013 tablet and my Nexus 5X. And that's one of the reasons why that I'm so hell-bent on backing Android, is the ability to do things like this. Sure, I know Apple has most of their hardware pretty much up to date with their latest software version, but with Android, most OEMs don't want to do that. So updating is not their priority, so it's upon you to get that done. But in a video that Austin Evans posted with John Rettinger in it, they said something that I said last year in my smartphones are boring video. And that's the fact that, again, OEMs have hit this wall. The innovation to create a new style hardware is completely gone. In that video with Austin Evans and John Rettinger, they did blame Apple, saying that Apple killed the innovation by basically doing the candy bar style touch display in every increment of their latest iPhone, and that OEMs on the Android side tried real hard to copy that or mirror that. And what do we get in the process of all this happening? These same style phones. They all pretty much are the same, whether they have very small, minor, different mechanisms in them. They do the exact same thing. They are the exact same thing. Candy bar style, screen. Candy bar style, screen. It does not change. Now, the Galaxy Fold, the only reason that I even enjoyed that was the fact that it was bringing something new to the table, but not something entirely new, because we had the Kyocera Echo, which was a phone that folded out into a tablet. But Samsung was doing a foldable display, something that was not ever seen really. And, you know, for right now, I know they want to get that phone out. And I think, honestly, that it needs to come out in order to basically show that innovation needs to still happen. Because without that innovation, we're getting the same thing over and over again, and that's why the mobile tech world seems boring, and that's why for content creators who are wondering where their views are going, that's where it's going. It's not that interesting to see the same style phone with different iterations from different OEMs. So if you guys enjoyed what I had to say, drop me a like. If you just found my channel and subscribed, I appreciate that. Thanks so much for watching. Leave a comment, and as always, aloha.